What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everyone, this is Stackman once again. Today, let me show you how you can connect Google Analytics to Shopify. Let's open our Shopify. Then make sure you're logged in your account. From here, navigate to your left and go to Online Store. Then go to Preferences. Scroll down a little bit until you find Google Analytics. Over here, you can check first how to set up your Google Analytics by clicking this link. In our case, let's head and set up Google Analytics. Just simply click this button over here. Install first by clicking this below. You will be taken to this page. Click Connect. So choose your Google account right here. Click Continue on this prompt and then scroll down, then hit Allow. You can also connect Google Analytics property if you have one, or create new property by clicking this.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.